Hi, I'm Julie, owner of Peaceful Place Home Organizers. Wanted to talk a little bit about what our Organized for Life system is. So what does it mean to be organized for life? There's actually two meanings to it. One is being organized for whatever life brings you, right? So organized for life means that if you are going skiing with your family, you know where all the ski gear is. If it's time to pay bills, you know where all the bills are, you know where the stamps are, you know where the pens are. If you need to bake cookies for a fundraiser, you know where the cookie sheets are, you know where the flour is, you know where the spatula is. When it's time to take out your winter clothes and switch them with your summer clothes, you know where the winter clothes are, and you have a place to put the summer clothes. It's being organized for whatever life can bring you, because you have a place for everything and everything in its place. The other meaning is that you're organized for the rest of your life. So with our system, the way we do organizing, it's not quick and easy, but it lasts. The results last. So when you have been through our system with us, there is a place for everything, everything in its place, everything makes sense, everything is visible, everything is accessible, everything is easy to put back, and you can stay organized for life. There is often some behavior change that needs to accompany that. I will talk more about that in future videos, but getting organized for life is something anybody can do with the help of Peaceful Place Home Organizers.